Good morning, everyone. Jackie here for Join Jackie, 10 o'clock on Mondays. Now, what is collaborative law? So last week I did a short video about keeping your matter out of court and the alternatives that could get you there. Collaborative law is one of those things. Collaborative practice is an approach which tries to settle things out of court. And in fact, the professionals that help you in a collaborative law matter sign an agreement to say that they cannot act for you if they can't resolve it this way. And it does go to court. So the professionals are actually incentivized to resolve it that way because there's no option B for them. Collaborative law, practically, I suppose, is like a multiple mediation process. So you wouldn't have a mediation for more than 3 hours in collaborative law, and you might have 3 to 5 sessions. So in the mediation, you'd have the parties and they would each have their collaborative lawyer, and the lawyer has to be collaboratively trained. You would have a mediator or conflict coach, often someone who has a counselling or psychology background. And you would also have a financial independent, which is part of the difference to ordinary mediation as well. The financial independent can meet with the parties individually and go through the options that are being explored to look at how each option would impact them. And the financial independent would also give that feedback back to all the solicitors involved as well. The conflict coach, like a mediator, would also do some intake, individual sessions with each party, but in between the sessions could also catch up individually with each party as well to see how they're going, whether there's things that they want to work out how to raise, and sort of have a little bit of coaching around that. And the collaborative lawyers would also meet independently of the clients in between mediation sessions to work out how to narrow some issues down, what information or documents need to be obtained to bring into the session to try and resolve it. So collaborative law is really used primarily for family law, but also will disputes, also a complex estate planning, particularly for farming families. It's a really effective process. And it can also be used for some workplace measures as well. So it is an interesting, it's a different approach. As I said, each of the professionals have to be collaboratively trained. So when a lawyer says that they will behave collaboratively, it's not to say that they are collaboratively trained. So it is an extra level of training. At TBA Law, I'm the one that has done that extra training. I've only done it in will disputes and estate planning, though, not family law. If you are interested in doing something collaboratively, please reach out because I can give you more information about it. It is a process that can take as quick or as long as you choose. As I said, 3 to 5 sessions usually. They could be, one session a week for 3 to 5 weeks, and then you sort of come out with an agreement at the end. After each session, you probably have little agreements that you make along the way as well. Otherwise, another way to reach out to do collaborative law is through some of the particular associations. So for a list of collaborative practitioners, you can go to the Victorian Association for Collaborative Practitioners and find that there to search for a lawyer if you want to engage someone. The best result is usually, though, to speak to a conflict coach first, the mediator role. But as I said, if this is of interest to you, then please reach out. If you think it could help anyone else, please tag their name in the comments. Please share it with them privately via Messenger if it is something that you don't think they would want to be seen in their feed. And this video, while live at the moment, will be saved onto the page. There are hundreds of videos on the video tab. It's a big resource, so you can go back and have a look at all sorts of topics there. And by all means, if someone is facing a challenge, it's a good first place to start. The other is our website, so please click through from Facebook to our website. On the Meet the Team page is all our individual emails, so you're quite welcome to reach out that way as well. I do come in here every Monday, but the next 2 Mondays I am away, so I will catch up with you again in the middle of October. If there is a topic you want me to cover, please reach out. DM or email is great, and I'll try and answer your question that way. Otherwise, have a great week.